Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapter problems in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type CMD. Command prompt is the best result back. Right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and type the next command ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Windows IP configuration successfully finished the DNS resolve cache. Type the second command net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close this window. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. Wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.